Guys, I'm blown away right now. The whole point of me building my own Arduino was that I thought Arduinos are basically Arduino Uno. I knew about things like the lily pad and a couple other things. But I didn't know you can get an Arduino with a ATmega 328P, which is the processor I wanted. Well, it's not a processor, it's a microcontroller. I didn't know you can get an Arduino with the microcontroller I wanted in a form factor that's as small as the microcontroller I wanted in DIP format. And it's got everything, the reset button, the LEDs, all of the necessary capacitors, all the wiring already done. It even has USB built in. I don't have to pull it out of a socket and put it into a different circuit just to program it. It's already built in, inline USB programmer, through which we can also communicate with the main computer. I mean, I'm blown away right now. I didn't know this was an option. It's got everything the big Arduino had. Everything. And even got rid of those stupid headers. Who needs headers? I'm not going to be using jumper pins and breadboards. Like, I want to use this for actual production. This is exactly what I needed. I was trying to create that type of board, but because of my limited soldering skills and whatnot, I was using all dip and through-hole components, and it was ending up being a good 30 to 40% larger than that. Now granted, if I went fully deadbug style, I could have probably had a lot of flexibility in form factor and still been able to achieve something similar to that, but that's got it all in one place. And it's done! It's ready to go. I mean, that's going to save me so much time in every project. That's what I'm going to use in my projects. Forget trying to make my own Arduinos. Now, I'm glad I made one, because it's a great learning tool. It's a great first circuit to make. But, I mean, this is just next level here. That, just buying those little things, oh man. That's going to save me so much time. I didn't even realize that was an option. So I've got all these microcontrollers now, ATmega 328Ps in DIP format, that I might just have to sell on eBay because I don't see myself using them now. Not now that I know about this. And these are cheaper too than buying all the components to build your own. They cost under $5, so like $4. Just buying the DIP format ATmega 328P microcontroller was around the same price. I still had to buy the socket, the Vero boards, all the supporting components, the reset button, the LEDs, everything. With this, you don't need any of that. I'm blown away.